Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot chocolate pods. Crafting your own hot chocolate pods is a fun and rewarding project, perfect for cozy evenings or thoughtful gifts. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you create delicious, personalized treats. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into delightful, single-serving hot chocolate experiences that are both convenient and incredibly satisfying. Let's dive in and start making some magic. To begin, you'll need a few key ingredients and tools. Start with good quality cocoa powder, your preferred sugar, and powdered milk for creaminess. Don't forget some chocolate chips for an extra rich flavor. For equipment, grab silicone molds, a microwave-safe bowl, and a spoon. You might also want to include fun additions like mini marshmallows or a dash of peppermint extract to customize your pods. These simple items are all you need to get started. Now for the fun part, mixing and molding. First, combine your dry ingredients, cocoa powder, sugar, and powdered milk, in a bowl, ensuring they are well blended. Next, melt a small amount of chocolate, about 1/4 of a cup, to act as a binder. Add this to your dry mixture and stir until it forms a thick, crumbly consistency. Firmly press this mixture into your silicone molds, then place them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to set. This ensures your pods hold their shape perfectly. Once your hot chocolate pods are fully set, carefully remove them from the molds. Store these delightful creations in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will stay fresh for up to 2 months. When you're ready for a warm drink, simply drop a pod into a mug, add about 8 ounces of hot milk or water, and stir until dissolved. It's that easy. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your homemade hot chocolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.